As you become more proficient at iMovie, you might find down the road somewhere that you're starting to feel a little limited by its capabilities. Now, if you've made it through all of these movies, I think you'll agree that iMovie 11 is no slouch. It can definitely do some very cool things and give your movies a professional look, but the reality is that it's a movie editor for the masses, so it has to be limited and easy enough for anyone to use. So if you're getting ready to move on to the world of professional video editing applications like Apple's Final Cut Express or Final Cut Pro, that doesn't mean you have to leave all of your iMovie projects behind you and start from scratch to continue work on the project you started in iMovie. So the last option we have here is Share, Export Final Cut XML. And what this does is export a text file written in XML, which is what Final Cut reads, which you can then open in Final Cut Express or Final Cut Pro and continue working with your iMovie project from there with Final Cut's full arsenal of editing tools at your disposal. Now, not everything will make it over in the translation. If you choose this option, you'll see this list of things that will not be exported in the XML file. That includes things like titles, voiceover, and sound effects, cropping and Ken Burns effects. All your transitions are going to be represented by cross dissolves, and green screen and picture-in-picture clips will not be exported. But your basic layout and edits will remain intact, and you can use that as the starting point to continue working on your project in Final Cut. So those are the other three export and sharing options you have available in iMovie 11 for when you want to step outside the borders of iLife. Lastly, under the Share menu, we have the Remove From menu. And this is for when you want to remove your movie from any of the locations or services to which you published it. So for example, if you want to remove a video from YouTube, you would select Remove From YouTube. Now, in some cases, the files will automatically be removed from the service or location you selected, but in other cases like this one, you might just be presented with instructions to visit the website where you have an account and manually remove your video. So you can see all it's telling me here is I have to go to the My Videos page on the YouTube website, and I can click Go to YouTube to go directly there to delete this video. But this Remove From menu should be the first place you go if you regret publishing a video or if you just simply want to take it down. Of course, you can also go to the Shared To bar up here, and from each one of these places where you've shared a video to, you can choose Remove From Facebook, Remove From YouTube, Remove From MobileMe, and Remove From iTunes. And any other place you've published to will appear in the bar up here, and you can use its icon to remove your video.